The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine and sends this data to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. This information is crucial for determining the correct air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. If the MAF sensor is faulty, it can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to a host of problems. Imagine you're cruising down the highway, and suddenly, your car begins to hesitate, losing power, or worse, the engine stalls altogether. Today, we'll dive into the symptoms of a bad MAF sensor and how you can prevent all of these from happening to you. One of the first signs of a bad MAF sensor is rough idling or even stalling. If the sensor is dirty or malfunctioning, it can cause an incorrect air-fuel mixture, leading to your engine running either too rich or too lean. This imbalance often results in a rough idle, where the engine seems to be struggling to stay on, or in more severe cases, the engine might stall completely. Have you noticed your fuel economy taking a nosedive? A faulty MAF sensor could be the reason. When the sensor sends incorrect data to the ECU, the engine may consume more fuel than necessary. This inefficiency leads to more frequent trips to the gas station, costing you money and reducing your vehicle's overall efficiency. If your car hesitates or jerks when you press the accelerator, it's a clear sign something is wrong. A bad MAF sensor can cause these symptoms by sending erratic signals to the ECU, leading to incorrect fuel delivery. This inconsistency can make your car feel like it's losing power or surging unexpectedly, making for a less than smooth driving experience. The check engine light is your car's way of telling you something's wrong. A faulty MAF sensor often triggers this warning. Modern vehicles are equipped with onboard diagnostics that can detect when the MAF sensor is not functioning correctly. While the check engine light can indicate various issues, if you experience it alongside other symptoms, the MAF sensor is a likely suspect. Struggling to start your engine can be another indicator of a bad MAF sensor. If the sensor isn't providing the correct data, the air-fuel mixture might be too lean or too rich, making it difficult for the engine to ignite properly. Over time, this can cause more significant issues, leading to potential damage to other components of your engine. Noticing black smoke coming from your exhaust? This could be due to a bad MAF sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it can cause the engine to run too rich, meaning there's too much fuel in the combustion process. This excess fuel doesn't burn completely, resulting in black smoke from the exhaust and potentially damaging your catalytic converter over time. So, what should you do if you're experiencing any of these symptoms? It's crucial to address MAF sensor issues as soon as possible. Ignoring the problem can lead to more severe engine damage, decreased fuel efficiency, and an overall less enjoyable driving experience. In many cases, cleaning the sensor can resolve the issue, but if the sensor is beyond repair, replacement might be necessary.